What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to share your screen on a Zoom meeting. So first of all, to share your screen on a Zoom meeting, you have to be in a meeting like I am right now. Then what you want to do is to click on share button. And as you can see now, we can choose what to share. We can either share the entire screen or application and windows, also documents or PowerPoint as background, for example, or even an iPhone and iPad. Then you have some more settings. If you click on this arrow pointing up, you can go to advanced sharing option, and here you can choose how many participants can share at the same time. You can choose from one or multiple who can share. If you want only you have to select the host only option. If not, you can let other participants to share their screen, and who can start sharing when someone else is sharing. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.